I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to fill these things up. Compressors here that we sell. So if you're outside, somewhere there's no power, no problem. So all air guns come with a fill probe that looks like that. You just connect it to a 8mm quick connect fitting that comes with the pump. Insert it right into the gun. Now you're ready to fill. And once that pressure hits 5,000 PSI, it'll turn itself off. So super convenient. That's a beast. Holy crap. All right, next test, we're gonna do a penetration test. Here we go.
Looks like we might have captured it in the second one.
Captured it in the second. Oh wait!
Oh, in the third.
Whoa!